Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu. I'm a Jolly Learning UK accredited trainer based in Singapore. In this video, I will share with you the correct pronunciation of the first 42 sounds which we learn in Jolly Phonics and what's the correct action for them. So let's start with the first sound. S. A, a, a. Now this particular sound can be pronounced in two ways. In the American English, it is pronounced as a, and in the British English, it is pronounced as a. Now we'll move to the third sound. T, t, t. I, I, I. P, p, p. Now we are in group number 2, and you can see two sounds here. So for the first one, the action is k, k, k. And for the second one, the action is k, k, k. Eh. D, d, d. Now we are in group number 3. This is g, g, g. O. Ah, ah, ah. L. F. B, b. Now we are in group number 4, and there we introduced our children about digraphs. 2 letters, they make one sound. So the first sound here is A. J, j, j. O. I. Now we have 2 sounds here, and the pronunciation is E, O, E, O. Now for particularly this one, O-R, it has 2 pronunciation. In British English, it is pronounced as O, whereas in American English, it is pronounced as OR. I hope these tips are useful for all of you. Now we'll move to group number 5. And the first sound here is Z. Wa, wa, wa. Now there are 2 sounds, and the actions are O, 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 O. Now we'll move to group number 6. This is Y, Y, Y. X, x, x. Ch, ch, ch. Sh. Now again there are 2 sounds, and this is the, th, the, th, the. Now we are on group number 7, that's the last group, and the first sound here is qua, qua, qua. This is ow. Oi. You, you, you. Now for this particular sound, this is the 41st sound of Jolly Phonics, and again it has 2 pronunciation. In British English, we pronounce it as and in American English, we pronounce it as R. Now, we are on the 42nd sound, everybody. And again, it has 2 pronunciation. In British English, it is pronounced as, look at me, the action is A. And in American English, it is pronounced as R. This is all about the 42 sounds, the pronunciation and the action. I hope you enjoyed it, and do share it with your friends. Thank you, everybody.